Welcome the our channel. Today we how to invest in data science with Zoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. Investing in data science using Zoom can be a strategic move for your business or personal growth. Start by identifying your goals for using data science. Consider what specific problems you want to solve or insights you want to gain. Next, research the fundamentals of data science. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as data analysis, machine learning, and predictive modeling. Look for reputable online courses or webinars that focus on data science. Platforms like Coursera and edX often offer courses that are conducted over Zoom. Once you have a grasp of the basics, seek out industry experts for mentorship. Use Zoom to schedule one-on-one sessions with professionals in the field. Prepare thoughtful questions to make the most of these interactions. Join data science communities and forums. Platforms like LinkedIn and Meetup can help you find like-minded individuals. Regularly attend Zoom meetups or webinars to expand your network. As you learn, start working on small data projects. Utilize datasets available online to gain hands-on experience. Document your progress and findings carefully. When you're ready, consider investing in data science tools. Look for software that offers Zoom integrations, enhancing your collaborative efforts. Popular tools include Jupyter Notebook, RStudio, and Tableau. Experiment with these tools during your Zoom sessions for better understanding. Next, explore investment opportunities in data science-related companies. Research firms that focus on analytics, AI, or machine learning. Evaluate their growth potential and market position. Consider investing in data science exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds provide diversification and reduce individual stock risks. To deepen your knowledge, engage in discussions within your networking circle. Use Zoom to facilitate brainstorming or problem-solving sessions. Stay updated on industry trends by following relevant news and publications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.